Hi and welcome to lesson 4.3. We're going to be spending a little bit of time now creating something that represents what we're learning about microplastics. And in this lesson, we're going to be exploring how we create an infographic for our project. An infographic is a simple representation of information using graphical elements. Let's see how it sits, though, within our overall project-based learning structure. We've had some time exploring the curiosity, the provocation. We have developed some questions. Maybe you've had a go at using the Googleable, ungoogleable way of thinking and develop some lines of inquiry. Now we're going to explore how do our students maybe represent or build or create something that represents their thinking and their learning. We're moving into this create phase. It's within this phase now where we start to have a go at creating an infographic. This is an infographic. This is an example of one. It's in fact a sketch note infographic representing how you actually do build up a little infographic style. And this is a nice example of using symbols and images in a sequence, both letters and information, writing and graphical elements. I've got some other examples to show you as well. And this is a one that's quite relevant to our topic about plastics in the ocean, using different data, size of the text, as well as little images or little sequences like you see along the bottom here. And what you're going to be doing is accessing your project sprint resources. This is a screenshot of the little booklet that you've got. This is the front cover, and you're going to be looking at module number 4, and we're going to be exploring this section. It's important that you find those resources because in it there's all sorts of information and data about our microplastics. And you can see here is another, this is one of the pieces of information you've got. I want you to take some time to explore the information in the booklet, and then you're going to have a go at creating your own infographic to represent some of those ideas. Here's another little example, a little simple drawing to represent some of the different parts of things that we didn't know contain plastic, or even this one, which is a sketchnote basics template. We can use little containers, different types of fonts, different icons to represent things, and we can connect our information in different ways using some of those little sketchnote basics. Let's have a look at some specific instructions for your task. In the create task, you're going to read through all of the information in the project booklet. You're going to locate and download that booklet, make sure you can read through the information, explore the different resources that are available and the information there, and then spend some time creating a representation of what you've learned and your knowledge about microplastics. You're going to combine images and text and symbols, and the title of your infographic is going to be Plastics and Our World. This is a task that doesn't have a very fixed outcome. It can be something that you can use and create in lots of different ways. And I really encourage you to express what you've learned about microplastics and some of the information in the booklet in the way that you would like. This is our activity. It's something that should take you probably about 45 minutes or so. It's going to take you a little bit of time just to read through some of the information. Give yourself a good chunk of time to have a go at doing that and creating a little sketch note or infographic. And I'll see you in the next lesson.